Hello, Heisenberg here again. I was taking my owner home from work and enjoying some mild splashing in the rain puddles, rolling with my 4.0 when this impala named Carlos pulls up next to me. And he's like, "Hey, looking good, SA! What lowering kit are you using, Holmes?" And I was like, "What? How dare you? I'm a Jeep Wrangler. I have 77 years of off-road heritage. My ancestors served in several world wars, climbed boulders the size of mountains, and there's even a trail named after us." Or is that the other way around? I mean, look, I don't care if you call me every dirty name in the book, including Ford, but never, ever refer to me as a lowrider. That's just plain insensitive. Now, anyway, that got me dreaming about lift kits again. I'm tired of people assuming that I skipped leg day. Now, don't hate me. I'm not the one with the checkbook. But anyways, back to my story. As I was sitting at the next stoplight, a 2000 TJ pulls up next to me. Now, I could tell it was a 2000 because it reeked of repeated playback of Britney Spears' "Oops, I Did It Again." And trust me, there's no amount of Febreze that kills that smell. So this TJ crawls up next to me now, the corner of my eye. I'm like, "Damn, girl, you a hot Jeep." But then I saw something that I can't unsee. Her undercarriage. Little Miss TJ was all but sporting the Jeep version of a miniskirt with that 6-inch lift. I could see everything. All of her nether regions were just hanging out there exposed and no tummy tuck to suck it in. It was embarrassing. Her limiting straps were just out there wafting in the breeze. And I was like, "Damn, girl, ain't nobody wanting to see your skid plate and all those nasty skid marks." I mean, I could see the petrol dripping off her oil plug all nasty and stuff. And trust me, girl, your owner's been lying to you. That ain't no synthetic blend. It's just plain sad seeing an old Jeep trying to dress like a fresh JK. And worse yet, as she pulled away, I saw her rear end. Hard not to when she's had her tub hiked up to the moon with those 40-inch mud trains. And girl, your BF may be good and rich, but he didn't do you any favors with that skinny rear end. My friend Dana has 35 reasons you shouldn't sport those shoes with that booty, and all are bad. That's like trying to flip pancakes with a toothpick. Sure, it might work for a bit, but sooner or later that toothpick's gonna break and you're gonna get burned. So lesson for the day? Modesty. If you're gonna be sporting that new Curry 6-inch long arm lift, not only will I hate you for it, but I'd at least hope that you'd have the undercarriage that says you care.